In the world of skincare, few names are as recognizable as Dove. For decades, Dove Beauty Bar has been a staple in bathrooms. Renowned for its gentle cleansing and moisturizing properties, our journey begins with the raw materials, the very building blocks of the Dove Beauty Bar. These ingredients, carefully selected for their unique properties, will undergo a series of transformations, ultimately taking shape as the familiar oval bar we know so well. From mixing and heating to molding and packaging, each stage in the process is crucial, ensuring that every Dove Beauty Bar lives up to its reputation for quality and care. We'll witness the transformation from liquid to solid as the mixture takes shape in its iconic mold. So let us begin our exploration, uncovering the artistry and precision that goes into crafting each and every Dove Beauty Bar. The journey of a Dove Beauty Bar begins with a collection of simple yet carefully chosen ingredients. These ingredients, each playing a crucial role in the final product, are sourced with a focus on quality and consistency. First, we have the fatty acids, the backbone of any soap. Stearic acid, derived from vegetable oils, provides the bar with its solid structure. Palmitic acid, another key fatty acid, contributes to the bar's creamy lather. These fatty acids are the foundation upon which the Dove Beauty Bar is built. Next, we have the moisturizing agents, the secret to Dove's legendary gentleness. Glycerin, a humectant, draws moisture from the air, keeping the skin hydrated. Other emollients, like coconut oil or shea butter, are often added to further enhance the bar's moisturizing properties. These ingredients ensure that Dove cleanses without stripping the skin of its natural oils. To truly appreciate the Dove Beauty Bar, it's essential to understand the role of its key ingredients. Each component has been carefully selected for its unique properties, contributing to the bar's signature lather, gentle cleansing and moisturizing effects. Stearic acid, a saturated fatty acid, provides the Dove Beauty Bar with its solid form. Palmitic acid, another key fatty acid, contributes to the bar's luxurious lather. Glycerin, a humectant, is the secret behind Dove's moisturizing prowess. It attracts and retains moisture from the air, keeping the skin hydrated and supple. Unlike traditional soaps that can leave skin feeling dry and tight, Dove, thanks to glycerin, leaves skin feeling soft and smooth. Coconut oil, a natural emollient, further enhances Dove's moisturizing properties. It's rich in fatty acids that nourish and condition the skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. With our key ingredients assembled, the process of creating a Dove Beauty Bar can begin. The first step involves carefully measuring and combining the fatty acids, stearic acid, palmitic acid, and others in precise proportions. This mixture forms the foundation of the bar, determining its hardness, lather, and overall feel. The fatty acids are carefully heated and melted together, transforming from solid beads into a smooth, homogeneous liquid. Glycerin, the humectant responsible for Dove's moisturizing properties, is carefully measured and added to the mix. Depending on the specific formulation, additional emollients like coconut oil or shea butter may also be incorporated at this stage. These ingredients ensure that Dove cleanses without stripping the skin of its natural oils, leaving it feeling soft, supple, and hydrated. The transformation from a simple mixture of fats and oils to actual soap occurs during a fascinating chemical process known as saponification. This reaction, triggered by the introduction of an alkali, is the heart and soul of soap making. In the case of Dove Beauty Bar, the alkali used is sodium hydroxide, commonly known as lye. When sodium hydroxide is carefully added to the melted mixture of fatty acids, a remarkable reaction occurs. The sodium hydroxide molecules interact with the fatty acid molecules, breaking them down and rearranging their chemical structure. This chemical dance results in the creation of two new molecules, soap and glycerin. The soap molecules, with their unique hydrophilic, water-loving, and hydrophobic, water-repelling ends, are what gives soap its cleansing properties. The saponification process is exothermic, meaning it releases heat. Skilled technicians carefully monitor the temperature and consistency, ensuring the process progresses correctly. With saponification complete, the mixture, now a thick soap-like substance, is ready for its transformation into the iconic Dove Beauty Bar shape. This stage involves transferring the liquid soap into molds designed to create the bar's familiar form. The molds, typically made of stainless steel or plastic, are designed to produce the exact size, shape and details of the Dove Beauty Bar. The liquid soap is poured into the molds, filling each cavity to the brim. The filled molds are then transported to a cooling area where the soap begins its transformation from a viscous liquid to a solid bar. As the soap cools, it solidifies, taking on the shape of the mold. The cooling process is carefully controlled to ensure that the bars harden evenly and consistently. Once the Dove Beauty Bars have solidified in their molds, they are carefully removed and begin a crucial stage known as curing. This drying and hardening process, taking place in a controlled environment, allows the soap to reach its optimal pH level and develop its long-lasting qualities. During curing, excess moisture evaporates from the bars, further hardening the soap and increasing its longevity. The curing time for Dove Beauty Bars can vary depending on factors such as the specific formulation and environmental conditions. Generally, the bars are allowed to cure for several weeks, during which time they are regularly monitored for quality and consistency. This curing period is essential for developing the Dove Beauty Bar's signature mildness and long-lasting properties. Before a Dove Beauty Bar leaves the factory and makes its way to your bathroom, it undergoes rigorous quality control checks. These inspections, conducted at various stages throughout the production process, ensure that every bar meets Dove's high standards for quality, consistency, and performance. Trained technicians meticulously examine the bars for any imperfections, such as cracks, chips, or uneven surfaces. They also verify that each bar meets the precise weight and size specifications, ensuring uniformity across the board. The lathering properties of the soap are also tested, ensuring that each bar produces Dove's signature rich and creamy foam. The pH level of the bars is carefully monitored to ensure that it falls within the desired range for gentle cleansing. Only bars that pass these stringent quality control checks are deemed worthy of bearing the Dove name. This commitment to quality is a testament to Dove's dedication to providing consumers with a superior and trustworthy product. Having passed all quality control inspections, the Dove Beauty Bars are ready for their final transformation packaging. This stage, though seemingly simple, is crucial for protecting the bars, preserving their quality, and presenting them to consumers in an appealing and recognizable way. The packaging process begins with the careful wrapping of each bar in Dove's signature blue and white wrapper. This iconic design, instantly recognizable worldwide, evokes a sense of cleanliness, purity, and care. The wrapped bars are then placed into their individual cardboard boxes, further protecting them during transport and storage. The boxes often feature the Dove logo, product information, and alluring images that communicate the brand's message of beauty and self-care. Finally, the individual boxes are packaged into larger cartons, ready for shipping to retailers around the globe. The journey of a Dove Beauty Bar doesn't end at the factory door. Once packaged, the bars embark on a complex distribution journey, traveling from the manufacturing facility to warehouses, distribution centers, and finally to the shelves of your local store. Large trucks, specially designed for transporting consumer goods, carry the cartons of Dove Beauty Bars from the factory to regional distribution centers. These centers act as hubs, receiving products from various manufacturers and dispatching them to retailers based on demand. At the distribution centers, sophisticated logistics systems manage the flow of goods, ensuring that the right products reach the right stores at the right time. This intricate network ensures that Dove Beauty Bars are readily available to consumers, no matter where they live. Finally, smaller delivery trucks transport the Dove Beauty Bars from the distribution centers to individual retail stores. Upon arrival, the bars are unpacked, stocked on shelves, and made ready for purchase. Our journey behind the scenes of Dove Beauty Bar has revealed the fascinating blend of art, science, and dedication that goes into crafting this iconic product. From the humble beginnings of simple ingredients to the final packaged bar, Each stage is a testament to Dove's commitment to quality care and the celebration of real beauty. We've explored the role of key ingredients like stearic acid, palmitic acid, glycerin, and coconut oil, understanding how they contribute to the bar's unique properties. We've delved into the science of saponification, witnessing the transformation of fats and oils into gentle, cleansing soap. And we've followed the bar's journey from the factory floor to the store shelf, appreciating the intricate logistics that make it all possible. For over 6 decades, Dove has challenged conventional beauty standards, celebrating the diversity of beauty and encouraging women to embrace their natural selves. So the next time you hold a Dove beauty bar in your hand, remember that you're holding more than just a bar of soap. You're holding a symbol of care, quality, and a timeless message of beauty that resonates with millions around the world.